बताओ मुझे, क्योंकि आज हम वापस से खेलने वाले हैं GTA 5। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं लास्ट एपिसोड में आपको याद होगा। तो एक बार मैं वापस से बता देता हूँ कि हमने लास्ट एपिसोड में जस्ट गेम स्टार्ट किया था, और फर्स्ट सीन में अपने को क्या, कार चुरा बैंक से अपन ने पैसे लूटे थे, मतलब बैंक में चोरी रॉबरी की थी। फिर उसके बाद हम लोग लामार के साथ दो गाड़ी चुरा के ले गए थे यहाँ पर। ये अपना शायद जो सेमियन करके बनता था, उसी ने एक और काम दिया हमारे को। तो देखते हैं क्या काम है, उसे
Hey,
जाके पता
wasn't that
चलेगा हमें।
motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos
चलते
dude? With
हैं।
the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so...
What y'all?
Nothing but love, nigga.
That Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You a psychotic motherfucker.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
फाइनली गाइस हम पहुंच गए हैं जहां हमको आना था। ये अपना लामार है। ओए लामार,
Do as I do, nigga. Hey! Think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No,
wait from me! For example, agents? Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Shit, man. Play it cool.
What's wrong with you, homie?
Hey, get out they way. We don't want no trouble. Am I gonna have to get with these crazy tattooed motherfuckers by myself?
Outside of Vespucci Beach, you should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers.
सर्च करना पड़ेगा।
It got to be this other one. If that wasn't it,
शायद हमारे पैदा वही लगेगा हमें, अगर लड़ाई भी हुई तो।
my powers of deduction is telling me it's right there. Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
बाइक लेने आए थे।
Hola, S.A.
So you're trying to creep up in here, man?
Yeah, you saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit!
Vamos! Fucking down. Come on down, everybody. Come on
Hey,
down.
nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat.
Bríncale, homies.
Just for our luck, homie. Find your bitch ass some cover. Fool, I ain't making no friends out here, homie. Hit the...
Why this always happen with you, homie?
Hit the floor. Only one way out this motherfucker.
I'm changing back.
Get in behind that truck, homie. They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can. Even the shit out, homie. Grab the shotgun. Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, there's a gang of niggas out here. They got their whole hood with them.
You make friends wherever your ass go, nigga.
There's the fool on the balcony. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Appreciate it, pimp. Check that door. They trying to mash on me. How many they got? Get that car, homie. Damn. Light them niggas up. Go back. Go back. Drink spit you out. You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came here for a bite.
And that motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here. We got your pink slip. Let's get him.
अरे हमारे बेवड़ा गिर तक है। चल 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 चल, क्यों गिरा? यार वो दूर भाग चुका है यार।
You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike you riding, stupid.
This punk get away, we going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault is that, Mr. 80s action movie body count motherfucker?
Pop that fool. We need him on his ass to get what we came for. Motherfuckers getting away from him.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh shit, Professor, you're right. That's the bike we came for.
Looking good.
Time to get that shit up.
Hey,
no
look out
credit
for fools
for
like me.
Don't get careless. You let this fool go. You was right on top of it. Get that bike back. Bye-bye, asshole. Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way.
फाइनली गाइस हमने बाइक को ले लिया है, इस टकले को मार के बाइक को हमने ले लिया। चलते हैं। गाइस हम पहुंचने वाले हैं जहां हमको लामार ने बुलाया था। हम कहीं से भी निकाल लेते हैं।
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga.
So, Mr. Kenneth, where we at? Financing?
अभी इसका कॉल आया था
Financing, it
सैनियन का,
seems like a
उसने
shitty
हमें
deal.
उसके डीलरशिप पे बुलाया था जो कि है प्रीमियम मोटर स्पोर्ट्स। उससे एक जगह दिया, वहाँ जाना है, वहाँ से एक गाड़ी उठा के लानी है मुझे। ठीक है, चलते हैं गाड़ी
Because
लेने
of the color of my skin, you think I am a scammer.
कस्टमर से मिलते ही गाइस उधर पे अपन लोग गाइस हम पहुंचने वाले हैं जहां हमें सेमिन में जाने है। इस सेमिन का कॉल आया था, कह रहा था अपने को कि जो अपन ने पिछली चोरी में की, मतलब जो इससे पहले अपन ने बाइक चुराया, उसको बोलता कि तूने रख दिया था, उसने हाँ फ्रैंकलिन रख दिया था कार। बोला कि यहाँ से ना कार चुराना है मेरे को, इंस्ट्रक्शन मिली थी। गैराज में कार है सामने, एकदम आराम से जाना पड़ेगा। इससे मारने के लिए इससे पहले मारता, फिर उसके बाद आपको पता उसने क्या क्या कहा है। से मार दिया, लेकिन हमको आराम से जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कोई देख ना ले तो वो गड़बड़ जाएगी भाई। लॉकी किधर जाना फिर? कोई दिखेगा तो आराम से रहेंगे। यहाँ पर आ रहा है।
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive. Jimmy called me a bitch.
You tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog, my Nick.
उसने बोला कि हमें एक कार लगे जिसमें इंश्योरेंस के पेपर से, तो कार गैराज में तो इधर हमको आराम से।
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo. I think he has a medical problem. Like more medical problems than the ones he's already been diagnosed with. Thank you, coach.
गाड़ी मिल गई फाइनली गाइस, हमें गाड़ी मिल चुकी है, हमें इसी को लेके निकल गए। सो काम करो ठोक गई भाई। भाई मैंने गाड़ी चुरा ली भाई। फ्रैंकलिन कॉल लगा रहे हैं।
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done. That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Now look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
Credit fraud? Be serious, dude.
What are you, a fucking idiot?
I just worked the fucking repo.
I appreciate a kid who follows orders without taking responsibility. Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yacht.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yatarian, we'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's just up here.
भाई इस बंदे ने हमें धमकी तो गाइस इस बंदे ने हमें धमकी दी है कि अगर हमने उस गैराज में ले जाकर गाड़ी ठोकी नहीं तो ये बंदा हमें मार देगा। भाई अपनी जान बचाने के लिए तो कुछ
I still got this gun to your head.
Oh, shit! Franklin! What the fuck are you doing?
Mr. Simeon, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker! See now, you... You've got... I'm within the...
You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work where it's worth $5 grand a month.
I agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah, they agree. They have some...
हम माइकल के साथ उसके घर आ चुके हैं।
Why the fuck not? He is not staying the night. He's a go.
Let's take Amanda's car.
फ्रैंकलिन और तो गाइस हमारे फ्रैंकलिन और माइकल की अच्छी दोस्ती
Hey,
हो
Jim.
चुकी है।
I'm going for a drink.
Dad! Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway! It's been stolen!
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat. Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
I'll do what I can to help with that, man.
इसके लड़के का कॉल आया था जिम्मी का कि उसका बोट चोरी हो चुका है भाई। वो किसी जगह भाग रहा है तो हमें उसको पकड़ना पड़ेगा।
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parent motherfuckers be rise in the bad both privilege.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't... Bullshit! I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail. Oh! There it is! That's my boat!
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, drill the boarding party.
More like the fall of the traffic party.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Oh, fuck this!
Ah, shit! Oh, fuck! Ah, crap! Shit. Shit. Ah, shit! Damn! Oh, they didn't! They fucking shot the engine! Fuck! Get him off my ship! Oh, easy with those pricks! You're pirates, you know that? Stay behind there, Frank. Hey, shoot this motherfucker! Hey, ain't you covering me? The fuck are you doing? Okay, now go find Jimmy. Ah, this is gonna kill me. Yay!
Dad? Wait! You're the guy from the dealership! Shut up!
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! Help! Help!
Ah, too close!
Oh shit, I don't wanna die!
Oh, what the fuck are you even doing here? Don't you let go of that thing!
Oh, this is it!
Hold on,
This is
Jimmy!
it.
Daddy's coming! Hey, slipping, dog!
I can't...
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Fuck, kid. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Hey! Get me off the damn thing! Hey, get right up the back of that thing! Remind me not to come to you for parenting advice! All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
This is getting really weird, Pop! Now that doesn't sound good!
Damn, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Don't you die on me yet. Ah! My fucking boat!
Hey! It's just a thing! At least you still got a son!
Hey, it's a chop shop back there, dog. You drive us there, you can get the ride fixed.
My boat.
It's just a thing!
My boat.
Please stop doing that! Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie, that was a really bad judgment call.
So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie. We're gonna trick this whip or what?
I'm gonna take you home now.
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah,
No,
Frank. All the
I,
credit for our
I
job.
didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Like, days just kind of disappear. Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter? Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just like shop it, you know? Play darts or get our...
गाइस मिलता है आप सभी को दूसरी वीडियो में। अगर आपको ये इस वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ से वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। सब्सक्राइब जो हो जाए आपसे वो कर दो, क्योंकि मिलता है आपको अगले एपिसोड में। चलो जब तक के लिए बाय।